Want to stalk someone's TikTok profile without them knowing? For this, we need to disable one little feature in the app. So let's get started. Firstly, let's open up TikTok, and now just click your profile in the bottom right corner. Here on the top, you should see those little 2 feet icon. Just click on it and you should see the list of your viewers. So here you'll see all of the people who viewed your profile. If you can't see this list, then each time you visit someone's profile, they will see you did this as well. If you'd like to turn that off, just tap on this little gear icon for settings and turn off viewer history. Just tap on it. And now if you visit someone's profile, they will not know about this. But if you would like to see who viewed your profile, because when this feature is turned off, you cannot do this, then there is a little life hack, a little trick how you can stalk someone but still be able to see who stalked you. For this, you just need to turn off the feature temporarily. Go ahead and visit someone's profile you would like to secretly stalk. And after that, return in your profile section, click on 2 feet and click turn on the bottom. With this way, the person will not know that you visited his profile, but you'll still be able to see your viewer history. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to see more useful tips.